We'll dive into Nifty's gains on strong Wall Street cues and easing US inflation, discuss Fed rate cut expectations, and highlight key market levels and MSCI updates for today's trading strategy. As we resume trading on the last trading day of the week, here are some good news. 1. Strong Wall Street cues. 2. The US Consumer Price Index, CPI, which increased 0.2% in July versus the prior month, has solidified expectations that the Federal Reserve will start cutting interest rates at its next meeting in September. 3. A stronger than expected US retail sales figure have also eased investors' concerns about a potential recession in the US. Retail sales unexpectedly soared 1% in July. Long story short, bullish Nifty traders are likely to take a risk-on approach. Bottom line, from here on, the street will spy with one big eye on the US September jobs report to be wired on 6th September. Hopefully, this September unemployment report gets the Fed to cut interest rates by 50 basis points. Fingers crossed. Global cues are positive. In Wednesday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2595 crores, while DIIs bought to the tune of Rs 2236 crores. Nifty sentiments turn bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are still indicating weakening momentum. FANO August month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index are at 15.43 levels. Nifty PCR, 29th August, is at 1.33 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28th August, is at 0.78. Nifty outlook, there is bright chance that Nifty bulls are likely to get inspired by encouraging global cues. Nifty, CMP to 4144. Support, 24,050 to 24,000. Resistance, 24,250 to 24,350. Range, 24,050 to 24,350. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 49727. Support, 49,500 to 49,300. Resistance, 50,150 to 50,300. Range, 49,500 to 50,300. Bias, sideways to bullish. Nifty is likely to start the day higher and most likely is to pick up steam on backdrop of strong global cues. Hindustan Zinc sets record date for special dividend, board to meet Tuesday, 20th August, for approval. MSCI rebalance, August review, shares of RVNL, Vodafone Idea, Dixon Technologies, Oil India, Prestige Estates, Oracle Financial and Zydus Life Sciences will be included in the MSCI India Index as part of the latest rejig. Bandhan Bank is the only Indian stock that will be excluded from the index. Meanwhile, Marksans Pharma flared up 13% in Friday's trade to hit a record high of 217 rupees and 40 paise after the company reported strong earnings for the June 2024 quarter, Q1 FY25.